Traders, in previous videos I showed you how our new indicators here could be used for scalping. Now we're going to have a look at a day/intraday trading strategy. Under here I have a 4-hour chart. We only really need the indicator, so I'm going to double click in the indicator space and we'll pull it down to the bottom. Above I've got the same indicator, but I've removed the signals. We don't need them, and we're using a 15-minute chart for entry. These signals go off over in the signals here. There's a couple here we've had from the 1-hour chart, US 500 and the NAS 100. Okay, the signal will fire when these green and red signals are triggered on the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour time frame below, 15-minute above. Our point of interest is here. Okay, so that aligns with below, you can see. All right, so we are looking for the next sell signal around this part of the chart here. The next sell signal has to occur after this red zone on the 4-hour. Entry is going to be fib retrace from the previous high to low, 50% of that, or whether you come into the chart a bit later, you can enter here. So let's just go short based on this signal. Stop above the previous high, go for a 2-hour target, and then you can trail. While this is trading, see the orange line above here? Well, we can stay in this trade until price moves back into the orange line. So that's about a 10-hour outcome. Stop loss, well, you can start above the previous or above this orange line. Well, let's just have a look and see what some of this looks like. So we'll just randomly flip up and down here, stop somewhere. Okay, CAD yen, what have we got? Let's have a look at the most recent 4-hour signal. Alright, that's it there. Okay, again we're looking for the next red signal, or swing high, swing low, 50% retrace. Short position in here. Stop above the orange line, 2R by default. And you can look to take partial profits off at 1R or 1.5R, but you can see the outcome here was pretty good. So we stay in it now while this orange line is sitting above. Then we can close it, if you like, when it pulls back into the orange line. So this one was 1.9R. If you want to, you can wait for this sell signal, but I like to get in a bit early. Let's just mouse up and down and, okay, stop here. What's that? Euro pound. There hasn't been a signal for a while, but we can go back here and have a look at this one. So that was 12th of December, 1 a.m. Click up the top, go to 12th of December, 1 a.m. Now what I'm doing with this is I'm setting alerts on the 1-hour and the 4-hour. That will give me more opportunities. So 1 a.m. on the 12th, go back. What did it look like? All right, here it is here. Point of interest is it, see it wiggling around down the bottom? Okay, see that? Okay, so that's our point of interest. Yeah, right there on the buy signal. We take it and look at the outcome. Use this blue line as your stop loss, slightly under it all the way. Trailing stop gets taken out up there, and that's quite a nice outcome. Again, we're looking for a pretty tight stop under the blue line. Always set for 2R, but you can trail it. Look, if this reaches 1R fairly quickly, or 1.5R, take partials and then pull the stop loss to break even and just let it run. Just come back the next day and see what it looks like. And with some programs you can set a trailing stop, but that was nice, about an 8 or 9R. Just up and down, stop somewhere. Okay, pound Swiss. So I'm just randomly selecting these. Let's have a look. What do we got? We got 2 red signals. All right. We'll go back. Scrolling back. Red signal here. All right, there it is. Again, we follow our rules. We're looking at these swing points. Fib retrace. Well, swing high, swing low. And that swing low there. Your entry point. You really want to wait. Like if this is starting to trend up, you want to wait for the next red dot or the sell signal. Sell signal, red dot, something like that. So wait for this to retrace into green and then turn red, or you might have jumped in here. Fair enough. Short position, if that was the case, well, you want to put your stop loss above these highs. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it might be a little bit of a challenge to read it, but yeah, be careful. You always want to pull the Fibonacci and wait for a pull. If it's extending, wait for a pullback. In any case, depending on your stop loss, I mean, look at the outcome. You know, if you set a tight stop and you got in here earlier and you got taken out, well, so be it, let it go. Go for the next sell signal here, you see that? And look, really nice outcome. Let's have a look at the one before. We'll just go back, it's not that far. Okay, so we're looking for the next, after this point of interest here, we're looking for the next sell signal. Or swing high, swing low, come in on the 50. Short position, you probably would have entered somewhere like that. Stop, well, above that swing high there at least. And then, I mean, so far so good. Some of them are not going to be as nice as others, but that would have been an exit point. But again, I look to take profits at 1 hour, I'm thinking. Let's have a look at gold. Oh, there's a signal right here. That's going to be a trade that my VIP members can look at. So we won't look at that at the moment. We'll have a look at this on Monday, guys. So we've got a gold opportunity setting up for Monday potentially. So we've got a signal back in here. I mean, look at this. Which one of these trades would you not want to take? And admittedly, some of them aren't as nice as others, but you know, look, there's a pullback there. You can gain instant access, guys. If you go to the link below the video in the description, click that. That will take you to my WAP landing page. We'll have a look at a couple of others. I want to have a look at some indices and some crypto. But let me just show you this quickly. When you go to my WAP landing page, there'll be a get access, and you can scroll down and see, look at the other offers. You might want the one on the right. Have a look and see what that offers. But once you gain access, or you click gain access, you need to come to the top of the page and click the Telegram links, and that will give you access to my VIP Telegram channels. Come over here, click the TradingView indicator link. That will give you access to my TradingView, and most importantly, go to Trading 101. The password for this is in VIP. So go to the Telegram Forex channel. The password is pinned at the top, and that will give you the password for Trading 101. You need these tutorials. That's it. Join through WAP, guys, and this will give you the free trial. Let's come back to the chart. All right, I want to have a look at, well, let's just have a look at Apple. Have a look at some stocks if you want to trade stocks. Here you go, look. Okay, let's have a look at that last signal on Apple. So point of interest is, oh, look at that. Okay, right there. And that's ready to go. Okay, so you're looking at this Fibonacci retrace right there. You could enter as soon as you come into the chart, pretty much. Okay, yeah, I mean, look at this opportunity. Just kept going, did it? No, that's the end of it. What do we got? Tesla. There's an opportunity right there. Market up on the chart. What did that look like? Okay, just look at that. So you want to enter on that red signal right there. Go above the orange line. Go 2R by default, and then trail it. And when you see a double bottom, you can close. Definitely. See the yellow orange line down here? That's a previous weekly high or low. So we've got these higher time frame levels you can use as well. That's a nice outcome. 3R something. Let's have a look at Doge. Let's have a look at this. What happened here? Okay, point of interest is there. Let's have a look. We're looking for a sell. Yeah, you see that? Okay, so short. And you can just go for a 1 hour 50% profit. That one kind of escaped these pullbacks. And where did it go? Yeah, I actually did a thing about this. I did a video on this. Looking for this to land somewhere and hopefully rotate. And it started to rotate down here. But anyway, we're looking for a sell opportunity here. And that just continued on and on. Look at it. Okay, you could look to get out down there somewhere if you manage it well. Anyway, guys, that's a bit of a take on, let's have a look at the euro dollar. Using this in a day trade / intraday scenario, there's a buy opportunity. I think the positives will definitely outweigh any stops that get taken out for sure. Look at it. Okay, we enter here, 15-minute chart, intraday, nice. So we ignore the sell signal, we're just looking for the buy signal when the condition, the situation arises, when the opportunity presents. Try it for 2 days. It will cost you zero, nothing, to give this a run for its money and make your subscription fee within the 14-day trial. The indicators are on TradingView. You can trade a whole bunch of different accounts on TradingView, and I think this is an absolute game changer. This is fairly new. I've been developing these on the back of, I had no choice. The Bank of Japan interest rate rise has actually turned the markets on its head. We've had incredible volatility since then. We've seen the algos shifting gears. They've been reprogrammed. We've seen aggressive moves midweek that had never occurred previously. So I've had to adapt to the change in the market conditions. The US election coming up added to the mix, and I'm thinking that the answer is definitely showing its hand with the hours that I've put into this, and the indicators that I've just released, and the strategy. It's definitely worth trying it out for 14 days at no cost whatsoever, guys. So click the link in the description below, jump on board, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP. Have a great day.